y'all. I wanted to continue on with my last video that I did where we digitized a logo to put on some wash rags and some hand towels. And I want to show you in this tutorial how I go about hooping this wash rag. Again, I'm using my laser alignment light. I will post a link below as to where I bought that. I am using tearaway stabilizer for the back, and I'm using a piece of water-soluble stabilizer for the top. This allows the stitches to sit and not sink into the fibers of the terry cloth. Okay. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to use our removable double-sided tape to put on the back of our hoop. Here's our bottom ring. Alright, we've determined that this wash rag is about 13 inches wide, so about halfway on the wash rag is, we're at about the 6.5 mark. I also printed out an image of our logo, and I'm aligning my template with our laser light. We want to make sure we're about 1/2 inch, and we are. Okay. Alright, we're going to remove that. I like to put a little bit of spray, temporary adhesive spray, on the back of the water soluble. I always do this away from all of my machines. Set that roughly about right there. Okay. I'm going to take my bottom hoop and move that out of the way. I like to take my stabilizer and kind of pinch it in there so it doesn't move as easy. Okay. Now we're going to, again, we're going to line up our design where it's about 1/2 inch. Okay, let's come on down a little. Okay, we're going to take our top hoop. We're going to align my alignment marks. You can get them aligned, and I'm going to press that down. Okay, and we're going to pick this up, and we're going to make sure that our stabilizers okay, let's check the back. Stabilizer is coming accurately back there. We're going to again check our alignment. And okay, so our design is going to go roughly right there. Okay, I like to leave this little piece of paper in there. Okay, when I put this on the machine, I have to make sure, because I hooped it upside down. But basically, here's the top right-hand corner that goes into my machine, and I will make sure that I have my image rotated around to where the image will face the proper way. Okay. And then we will do a stitch out.